ngô ya yin ta kha ma ka pyong ge bu ra le ma me lai ne on a change she did now so no ma second ma since I